Hello and welcome to our tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to scrap Flipkart's products and download them into a CSV. For example, if you are on a Flipkart website and you want to scrap LED TVs and you want to get all this information into a CSV file, including the prices, the titles, the images, description, short description, and so on. So, for example, this is a list, and I want to scrap all these products and get into the CSV. So, leave it right here, just search and leave this page here. And now open a new tab in Google Chrome browser. This is very important that you should use Google Chrome browser because this extension will only work on Chrome. So let's go to scrap any website data.com, press enter, and in the menu hover and go to Flipkart Scrapper. Here it says please install Chrome extension. Click on download Chrome extension and add this extension to your Google Chrome browser. Once the extension is added, just close that page, and on this Flipkart products page, refresh, and then you will be able to see these two fields. Now go to Flipkart and copy this search URL. Paste the search URL into the search field and click on get products, and it got 29 unique product URLs from the Flipkart products page. So here are all the URLs which are automatically populated in this field, and now when you click on start scrap, it will start getting the product title, price, images, short description, anything from this page to here. These are automatically listing here, but you have to wait until it crawled all products and get the data on this page. Then we will generate the CSV. I'm skipping this to the end of the video so that the scrapping is completed. Okay, now that all the products are scrapped on this page one by one, let's click on generate CSV. And click on get CSV to download all the products into a CSV format. Click on save and let's open the file, and we have SKU, title, short description, images, description. Short and description both are in HTML format, the price, original URL from where we scrap the product, and tags. So this is how you can get the products from Flipkart into a CSV. In the next video, I'll show you how you can import these products into your WooCommerce store.